Hello 8th standard students, we were discussing the worksheet 4 of algebraic identities, that is regarding the fourth identity. Hope you remember the fourth identity. Once we will write to recollect it. It is a plus b plus c the whole squared is equal to a squared plus b squared plus c squared plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Hope you remember. Now coming to the fifth sum of worksheet 4. It is first we have to write what are a, b, c, isn't it? A is equal to minus 2a with the sign we have to write minus 2a, b is equal to minus b and c is equal to 3c. Now a is equal to, this is a square, isn't it? A square minus 2a the whole square, b square minus b the whole square, c square 3c the whole square plus 2ab. 2, a is minus 2a, b is minus b plus 2bc. 2, b is minus b, c is 3c, bracket close, plus 2ca. 2, c is 3c, a minus 2a. Is it okay? Now find the value. The square of a negative is positive, so 2 square is 4a square. Square of a negative positive plus b square. 3 square is 9c square. Now here 2 negatives are there, so the answer will be plus 2 2s are 4ab. Now 1 negative, so minus 2 3s are 6bc. Here 1 negative is there, minus 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12ca. इसके लिए वो ब्रैकेट्स डालना इम्पॉर्टेंट है. सो स्क्वायर्स डालने के वक्त भी ब्रैकेट डालो. 2ab, 2bc, 2ca. That has to be within the bracket. Then it is easy to identify the signs and all, isn't it? Now coming to the sixth sum. It is a sixth sum minus a plus 6b plus minus 2c the whole square. First you write the values. A is equal to minus a, b is equal to 6b and c is equal to minus 2c. Okay. Now a square minus a the whole square, b square 6b the whole square, c square minus 2c the whole square, 2ab. 2, a is minus a, b is 6b plus 2bc. 2, b is 6b, c is minus 2c plus 2ca. 2, c is minus 2c, a is minus a. Okay. Now find the value. Square of a negative positive, so it will be a square plus 6 square is 36 b square, square of negative positive, 2 square 4 c square, 1 negative within the bracket, so it is minus 2 6 12 ab. Now here 1 negative minus 2 6 12, 12 2s are 24, otherwise 2 2s are 4, 4 6 are 24, BC. Now 2 negative, it becomes positive, 2 2s are 4, CA. So answer is a squared plus 36b squared plus 4c squared minus 12ab minus 24bc प्लस 4ca. याद रखो ब्रैकेट के अंदर 1 नेगेटिव, द आंसर विल बी नेगेटिव, 2 negatives, the answer will be positive. Now coming to the 7th one, you have to be careful with the signs. Now a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2x and c is equal to minus 3y. Okay. Now a square, it is a 1 square, b square 2x the whole square, c square minus 3y the whole square, 2ab, 2, a is 1, b is 2x plus 2bc, 2 into b is 2x, c is minus 3y plus 2ca, 2, c is minus 3y, a is 1. Now 1 square is 1 plus 2 square 4 x square, square of a negative positive, 3 square 9 y square. Now here 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4 x, 1 negative, so negative, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12 xy. Now 1 negative, so minus, 2 3s are 6, 1s are 6 and y. So the answer is 1 plus 4x squared plus 9y squared plus 4x minus 12xy minus 6y. Now coming to the 8th sum, it is a is equal to 2x, b is equal to minus 4y, c is equal to minus 1. A square 2x the whole square, b minus 4y the whole square, c minus 1 the whole square, 2ab, 2, a is 2x, b is minus 4y plus 2bc, 2, b is minus 4y, c is minus 1. Now 2ca, 2, c is minus 1, a is 2x. Okay. Now 2 square is 4 x square, square of negative positive, 4 square 16 y square, square of negative positive, 1 square is 1. Now within the bracket 1 negative, so minus 2 2s are 4, 4 4s are 16 xy. 2 negatives within the bracket, so it will be plus 2 4s are 8, 1s are 8 y. Now 1 negative within the bracket, so minus 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4 x. साइंस पहले अंदर का सोच के फिर डालने का है, पहले ही प्लस डाल के रखने का नहीं. सो द आंसर इज 4x स्क्वायर प्लस 16y स्क्वायर प्लस 1 minus 16xy plus 8y minus 4x. So that was the 8th sum. Now coming to the 9th. So total 12 sums are there in this worksheet, isn't it? The 4th identity. So remember, 4th identity, a plus b plus c the whole squared is equal to a squared plus b squared plus c squared plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Easy to remember, isn't it? Now write a is equal to 6p, b is equal to minus 5q, c is equal to minus 4r. Okay, put it within the bracket. Now a square 6p the whole square, b square minus 5q the whole square, c square minus 4r the whole square. Now 2ab, 2, a is 6p, b is minus 5q, 2bc, 2, b is minus 5q, c is minus 4r plus 2ca, 2 into c is minus 4r, a is 6p. Now 6 square 36, p square, square of negative positive, 5 square 25, q square, square of negative positive, 4 square 16, r square. Within the bracket 1 negative, so minus 2 5s are 10, 6 are 60 pq. 2 negative means positive, याद है ना? 2 5s are 10, 4s are 40 qr. 1 negative, so minus 2 4s are 8, 8 6s are 48 rp. Clear? Answer is 36p squared, 25q squared plus 16r squared minus 60pq plus 40qr minus 48rp. Now coming to the 10th sum. It is a is equal to p, b is equal to 5q, c is equal to 2. In each sum you have to write the values, then it will be easy for you. A square, p square, b square, 5q the whole square, c square, 2 square, 2ab, 2 into a b plus 2bc, 2 B is 5Q, C is 2 plus 2CA. 2, C is 2, A is P. Now it is P square plus 5 square 25, Q square plus, all are plus, 2 square is 4 plus 2 5s are 10 PQ plus 2 5s are 10, 2s are 20 Q plus 2 2s are 4 and P. So the final answer, P square plus 25Q square plus 4 plus 10PQ plus 20Q plus 4P. Now the 11th sum. A is equal to 3x, B is equal to minus 4y, C is equal to minus 5. A square 3x the whole square, B square minus 4y the whole square, C square minus 5 the whole square. 2AB, 2, A is 3x, B is minus 4y plus 2BC, 2, B is minus 4y, C is minus 5. Now 2CA, 2, C is minus 5, A is 3x. Okay. Now find the values. 3 square is 9, x square, square of negative, positive, 4 square is 16, y square, square of negative, positive, 5 square is 25. Now within the bracket 1 negative, so minus, 2 3s are 6, 6 4s are 24, xy. Now 2 negatives, so the answer will be plus. 2 4s are 8, 8 5s are 40, y. 1 negative minus 2 5s are 10, 10 3s are 30, x. So you got the answer, 9x squared plus 16y squared plus 25 minus 24xy plus 40y minus 30x. Now coming to the last sum, A is equal to minus 2x, B is equal to 6y, C is equal to 4. Okay, it is A squared minus 2x the whole square, B squared 6y the whole square, C squared 4 square, 2AB, 2, A is minus 2x, B is 6y plus 2BC, 2, B is 6y, C is 4 plus 2CA, 2, C is 4, A is minus 2x. Now, square of negative, positive, 2 square is 4, x square, 6 square is 36, y square, 4 square is 16. Now within the bracket 1 negative, so minus, 2 2s are 4, 4 6 are 24, xy. Now all are positive, plus 2 6 are 12, 12 4s are 48. Otherwise 2 4s are 8, 8 6 are 48, 1. 1 negative, so minus 2 4s are 8, 8 2s are 16 x. So we got the answer 4x squared plus 36y squared plus 16 minus 24xy plus 48y minus 60x. So we have completed the worksheet 4, that is the identity 4. A lengthy identity but comparatively easy, I feel. Hope all students understood this. Bye. Thank you for watching the video. All the best.